everyone, and welcome to Tep TV Read with Faith. Thank you guys for your likes, comments, and subscriptions. Kindly keep the comments rolling and like, share, and subscribe. Also, follow us on Instagram at Tep TV. On this show, we bring you the latest gist and happenings in Nigeria and across the world. Well, today is no different at all. So sit right, grab some popcorn, and let. Moving on, there was a panic at the University of Lagos, UNILAG, on the 13th of July 2021, following claims that some students have contracted COVID-19 virus, while authorities also confirmed there had been a recent increase in the number of persons within the university community who have shown symptoms of COVID-19 infections. According to some students who spoke with the guidance, said about 6 of their colleagues have tested positive to the virus and have been sent to an isolation center. Having signed an indemnity form before resuming physical classes, students who have been confirmed positive and their roommates were sent home. So fortunately and unfortunately for UNILAG students, their hostel have been shut down and they're going to go back to their online classes. Another side of this story from our own internal reporters is that convocation was held in the school premises and thereby a large number of persons within the school premises. Federal government has allocated over 4.8 billion naira to the country's National Intelligence Agency, NIA, to monitor social messaging service WhatsApp. According to local reports on Tuesday, 13th of July 2021, the allocation is earmarked for WhatsApp interception and for Turaya interception solution. The move comes barely a month after the federal government suspended the operation of Twitter in the country on the 4th of June 2021. The budget was approved by the National Assembly on July 17, 2021, according to reports. Many of us have been hearing about this Cubana, and we keep wondering what exactly this is. Well, this is a story about Obi Cubana, who finally laid his mother to rest in Oba, Anambra State, and the after party has been nothing short of amazement. On Friday, 16th of July, was the day that several persons from far and near comes to join Obi Cubana in this funeral ceremony for his mother. Photos and videos have captured celebrities who stormed the ceremony to show support for the wealthy businessman. A trending video from the event captured the moment when some white guys rained money on Cubana on the dance floor. Okay guys, point. Barcelona has reached an agreement in principle for Lionel Messi to sign a new 5-year deal. However, the club problems are not exactly solved because they still have a gross debt of 1.2 billion euros. La Liga president Javier Tebas has warned Barca to reduce their expenditure markedly to register not just Messi, but their new signees as well. They will have to let other staffs, including one of their highest earners, Antoine Griezmann, go. Facts for the month. Tep TV asks our viewers to please bring 15 subscribers to the channel, and first to do so goes away with 5,000 naira cash. Oh my god, that's awesome. Thank you guys for sticking with us throughout this video. If you're new around here, just click on the subscribe button, and if you like it, give it a like. Keep the love, guys. Bye.